Good Health tonight. Plastic surgeons report the number of women receiving breast implants has jumped 37% over the last 5 years. And sometimes those implants are a gift.
Cosmetic surgery is becoming increasingly popular as a Christmas present. Look for Dr. Frank McGeorge takes a closer look at a gift category that is definitely not one size fits all.
You won't find this behind the counter at Macy's. This year, a growing number of couples are giving each other a gift that lasts a lifetime. But it's definitely not on everyone's list.
A little tough to wrap, right? And I'm glad it's her, not me. But it'll be great.
This year, Harriet Jones is getting a Christmas present you won't find in most stockings. Her husband of 24 years is giving her a tummy tuck.
Well, I said it was okay for him to give it to me as a present, and he didn't have to get me anything else. I thought it was a big enough gift. Plus, he has to serve me for a few weeks.
As gifts go, this is not as rare as you might think.
The holiday season, we find, is the busiest that we have ever had, especially even this year. And what I think that it is it's the end of the year, and so the new year marks a new beginning for a lot of people.
According to Rochester Hills plastic surgeon Tony Youn, the 3 most common surgeries given as gifts are breast enhancement, facelifts, and liposuction. But a word of warning. Plastic surgery should never be a surprise gift.
The recipient never mentions plastic surgery. It would be could be a disaster to actually request it for somebody.
Nothing you'd want to suggest unless the person already asked for it. It's a little personal to just say, hey, you need a tummy tuck.
And remember, this is still major surgery with all of the potential risks. I've personally treated patients with life-threatening complications from these common procedures.
Well, psychologically, what I always do is sit down with every patient and talk to them about their goals, their expectations. I explain the surgeries to them.
Harriet's gift comes with a bonus. She'll be spending the first night of her recovery here at the Royal Park Hotel in Rochester Hills, part of a new luxury package some local plastic surgeons are offering.
Patients don't necessarily want to spend the night in a hospital room sharing a room next to somebody who's sick. And so by staying in the hotel, they've got such plush surroundings and the nursing care, so it's really the best of both worlds.
Harriet says she's thrilled to be getting just what she wanted for Christmas.
I think it's a really good idea if it's something that a person wants.
So what is she giving Jeff this year?
My Christmas present came early. Unlike Harriet getting a tummy tuck, I got a treadmill. So I get to work my fat off. She gets to have hers removed surgically.
I can't emphasize this enough. Even if someone else is paying, you still need to do your homework. Find a board-certified plastic surgeon who is experienced with the procedure you want. Remember, even with a receipt, this is one gift that is unreturnable. I'm Dr. Frank McGeorge. That's Good Health. Back to you.